stone cast upon his family by driving the evil serpent men back into another dimension and vanquishing their leader, the cruel wizard Rathamon. Conan, adventurer. Conan, man of bravery, with his magic sword protecting the mightiest of warriors indeed. Feel the power! Conan. Condiments for all occasions!
Rats, bats, cats, fat and juicy, perfect for any smell! Love potions, make any man fall in love, guaranteed!
You! Give me one of them love potions. Here's a man. But he'll need convincing.
No! Let me go! You're ugly! Thank you, ma'am. I don't want anything to do with you! I'm in love! Come to me, my darling!
It works! It works!
This place reeks of magic. The Marketplace of Mystics is the largest gathering of wizards, warlocks, and other sorcerers in the land. They meet once a year to sell their wares, replenish their mystical supplies, and exchange learned wisdom.
Conan, here we may find a way to break the spell Rathamon cast on your parents, or even lift Mesmira's curse on my brother and sister.
But it's so big. How will we search it all, even with two experienced wizards?
Ah, you have forgotten about Sasha and Misha. We have 4 experienced wizards. Sasha, Misha, go separately. See what you can find that may help us.
As I thought. I knew Grey Wolf and Conan would attend this event. Quickly, Sasha comes this way. You know what to do, so do it.
Wizards, sorcerers, learn the secrets of the curse of the mysterious lycanthros plant, where it blooms, when it blooms, and what can reverse this vile curse that changes men to werewolves. Learn the secret. Wait, you're no wizard? Or do you look like an ordinary dog? Could it be you've been cursed by the lycanthros plant? I thought so. Well, come inside. I'll show you my secret.
Welcome, Sasha. Welcome to my web of deceit. Not this time, my pet! My potion will keep her paralyzed until you can dispose of her. Meet me 2 days from now in Cordia at the spot we've agreed upon. And guard this with your life, Verdrugo. It is my only means of returning to my true form. And now, the Lycanthros thorn, treated with just the right magical potion to achieve the desired effect.
Excellent, my mistress. No one could tell which is the true Sasha, not even her own brother. Here, the scroll. Good luck, my mistress. May Set be with you. And now to take care of you.
Sasha, what have you found? This is incredible.
What does it say?
It is about the Lycanthros plant. Once a century, during a full moon, it blooms with white flowers. Ingesting these flowers can undo the curse. The curse that afflicts Sasha and Misha. It also tells of a gardener in the Valley of Zing that specializes in plants of exotic varieties and hints that he may have the flower we need.
Good. As soon as Jessamine arrives, we'll seek out this gardener.
Sasha, soon we will have the cure, and you will be human again, my sister. Misha, what is it?
What in Crom's name?
Watch, my son. See what is possible with extreme concentration.
Misha's gone mad. We've got to stop him before someone gets hurt. Creorum toras vita! We will have no more trouble. I will leave Misha in the care of Shadow. Will you look after Sasha till I return?
I'll wait in our tent. Come, Sasha.
Misha, whatever madness possesses you, I am not deserting you. I will bring back the cure to restore you to human form. Farewell for now, my brother.
If only you could talk. Perhaps you could tell us what afflicts your brother. Oh, by Crumb! Usually you show such affection only to Grey Wolf.
Looks like you have a new admirer. I hope you don't give her fleas.
Jessamine!
Sorry I'm late. I got here as soon as I could. Sasha, what's wrong with you?
Sasha and Misha have not been themselves today.
All right, we've gone far enough. I'll leave you for the vultures to finish off.
Sasha, must I leave you behind as well? That's better. Jessamine, welcome. I trust Conan has told you all?
Yes, and I'm ready to go.
Then let us set out at once. Muto orum savanti! Sasha, come! Come!
Sir, is your dog sick?
Can we help?
Oh, what a great dog.
Do you like dogs? I'll sell her.
You will? Oh, Father, could we?
Yes, I suppose so. She could help us hunt.
It's done then. You have yourself a dog. That will be 5 denarii.
5 denarii?
She's worth it, Father.
Well, all right. Here.
She doesn't seem to feel too good.
She's just resting.
Wait just a minute.
Goodbye.
Son, I think this dog is hurt. She's not good for hunting or anything else. I think we have to put it out of its misery.
Father, you can't. I know she's sick, but I can nurse her. I'll bring her back to health. Please.
We are almost there.
And none too soon. Sasha is ill. Look.
That is strange. Usually she loves to ride my cloak.
Yes?
We have come far seeking the gardener Verdrugo. May we speak with him, please?
Verdrugo is not here. He often leaves for days in search of new plants. I'm sorry.
We are willing to wait.
It could be days.
I will wait an eternity if I must.
All right then, I'll give you rooms for the night. Come on, girl, you can do it. One more bite? That's a good girl. Can you stand up now? That's it, that's it. See, Father, I knew she'd be all right. Where do you think you're going? You're mine now. Don't worry, girl. I'll take care of you. It's okay, girl. I'm sorry you're unhappy. I've always wanted a dog, but I don't want to keep you against your will. I'm gonna miss you. There you go, girl. You're free. Goodbye, girl.
What's that? Sasha!
What do you think you're doing?
I've got you.
What's going on out here?
Sasha was dragging your staff down the hall.
This is worse than I thought. She is returning to a more wolf-like state, just as poor Misha did. I'm sorry, Sasha, but if you are going to act like an animal... Hey there, girl. Are you hungry? Yeah, sure you are. Nice, juicy steak.
Good work. You distracted her just long enough. So, what have we here? Oh, this is a real scrapper. Part wolf by the look of her. Well, you're gonna be my new fighting dog.
They're all so beautiful.
I wonder which is the lycanthros plant.
Welcome. I am Verdrugo, and this is my garden.
All right, I'm taking bets. Who will bet against my new champion?
I will.
Me too!
My money's on the board.
Yeah, mine too!
That is all the
Enough! No more bets. Let the game begin.
Your dog's smart! So smart she won't fight the boar!
You know the
So, that is the story of how the evil Mesmira transformed my brother and sister into wolf dogs.
A sad tale indeed.
Can you help us? Is it true that you have the flower of the lycanthros plant?
Well, yes, I do have the flower. In fact, I brought it with me. This is the only flower I have right now. I will have more soon, so do not fear for your brother. Now, in just a moment, you will see a transformation you will not believe.
Thank you. I am eternally in your debt.
Believe me, the pleasure is all mine.
Here, my dear sister, partake of this and be human once more. Misha? No, it's another Sasha.
Oh, 2 Sashas. What madness is this?
We must protect the true Sasha.
Which one is she?
The real Sasha would never harm me. Tell me, beast, would you attack me? Are you the imposter? Mesmira?
Mesmira, catch!
No, not the flower! Get back! Get back!
At last, the claw of heaven is mine! Now.
Sasha, truly you are my courageous sister. The gardener?
Long gone, I'm afraid. And you can bet there are no more lycanthros plants in this garden.
But now you know the cure. We need only to find the flowers. And find them we will. This I vow.
You are right, my friend. And now we must return so I may apologize to Misha. Muto orum savanti!
No sign of Mesmira. Good riddance, I say.
You are back. But Sasha is still a wolf dog. And your mission
Was not as fruitful as I had hoped. Please release Misha.
very well. Cavea solveri.
Misha, forgive me, my brother, for doubting your sanity. I should have realized you were only trying to warn me of Mesmira's deception. But at least we are a family once more.
Thousands of years ago, the pitiful good wizards of Earth banished my master Set to the abyss. Conan fights us, but his puny efforts are doomed. But even now, Set's followers help me gain star metal enough to create 7 star metal discs atop 7 pyramids of stone. For as soon as the 7 discs are complete, their combined power will free Set from his prison, and he will conquer all humans.
upon his family by driving the evil serpent men back into another dimension and vanquishing their leader, the cruel wizard Rathamon.